How to download and install iOS 26 beta update on iPhone 11. So if you want to download and install iOS 26 beta update on iPhone 11, then it's the same process on all the other iPhone devices. So what you need to do is open up your Safari at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with beta.apple.com. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you need to scroll down and tap on sign in and make sure that you've signed in with your Apple account. So tap on sign in, which is on the bottom. Once you've signed into your account, you'll have this kind of interface. Now scroll down again and tap on enroll your iOS device. After that, scroll down again and tap on open beta updates. And once you tap on open beta updates, it will generally take you to the settings, general, and then software update, and then beta update. Or you can just simply go with your settings, and under your settings you need to just scroll down, go with general, and here you need to go with software update. And under your software update, you need to tap on beta updates, and here you need to go with iOS 18 public beta. After that, if you go back, you will have this kind of interface. You'll be able to update it. That's how you can download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.